Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I am reviewing the Shopify Starter Plan in 2025, priced at just uh, $1 per month. Is it worth it? Let's break down the pros and cons. Shopify Starter Plan. Here it is. Now it's $19 per month. The starter plan is Shopify's most affordable option. It's designed for beginners who want to start selling without building a full online store. You get a simple checkout link, product pages, and access to Shopify's core selling tools. Here are the top pros of the starter plan. Extremely affordable, great for testing product ideas, no store needed, share by links via WhatsApp, Instagram, DMs, email. Mobile first checkout optimized for smartphone users. Built-in payments accept credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Sell anywhere, perfect for influencers, creators, or home businesses. You also get basic analytics and order management inside your Shopify dashboard. Even with this low cost plan, but it's not perfect. Here are the limitations to keep in mind. No full website or blog, no custom homepage or advanced branding, limited design control, can't fully customize product pages, Shopify app store, third-party apps and integration are blocked. No discount codes or advanced shipping, can't scale without upgrading, better for side hostels, not full-time stores. So if you need features like SEO themes or shipping rules, you will need to upgrade to the basic plan. The Shopify starter plan is best for beginners testing the market, influencer selling, 1 to 3 products, creators selling digital goods via links, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram sellers, anyone without technical skills. If you want a fast, low risk way to start selling, this plan is great for a first step. So, is Shopify starter plan worth it in 2025? Absolutely. If you are just getting started, it's the easiest way to test your idea, and you can upgrade anytime as your business grows. Smash that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and let me know in the comments, are you using the starter plan? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.